Alright guys and gals, this is a quick student tutorial on how to make sure that your Google Drive is set up. If you have files that you have to download from your teachers or like your student information sheet, you need to keep a copy of something, this is the way to do that. So what we are going to do is we are going to make sure that we're signed in, and of course I am. We're going to click on excuse me, the Google Apps button, and we are going to come to Drive. Now I'm already in my drive, so I don't need to click on that. In order to add a folder for a particular class, let's say you're in my Block 3 Geography class, what you're going to do is you're going to click this New button over here, hit Folder, and then you are going to type in the name of your class. And now you'll see that folder appears. So if you have to save files and you want to make sure that you don't lose them and everything like that, you can drag and drop them right into that folder. I can show you here. So here is a bunch of files that I have. These are actually video files. So all I have to do is drag and drop. So click and hold on it, and then drag and drop it over top of that folder, and then release it, and it will go right in there. I'm not going to do that because that's a decent sized video file, and it'll take up a lot of space. But that's pretty much it. Once you make a folder for a class, you can actually create subfolders within that folder if you want to. So let's say this is my Block 3 Geo class, and I want to be able to save all of my tests and quizzes that I take. So I can make a folder for tests, and now I can save all of that in there. This is a good way to make sure that you don't lose anything. You're definitely going to want to stay organized, so make sure that you create folders in your Google Drive and that you are saving things.